Darwin was a British scientist who laid the foundations of the theory of evolution and transformed the way we think about the natural world. Puzzled by the geographical distribution of wildlife and fossils he collected on the voyage, Darwin began detailed investigations and in 1838 conceived his theory of natural selection. Although he discussed his ideas with several naturalists, he needed time for extensive research and his geological work had priority. He was writing up his theory in 1858 when Alfred Russel Wallace sent him an essay which described the same idea, prompting immediate joint publication of both of their theories. Darwin's work established evolutionary descent with modification as the dominant scientific explanation of diversification in nature. The Beagle left the Galapagos and arrived at Tahiti in November 1835, and then sailed onward to reach New Zealand in late December. In January 1836 the Beagle arrived in Australia, where Darwin was favourably impressed by the young city of Sydney. While in the Galapagos, Darwin collected samples of mockingbirds, and later observed that the birds were somewhat different on each island. This made him think that the birds had a common ancestor, but had followed varying evolutionary paths once they were separated. Darwin had been exposed to some thinking about evolution before embarking aboard HMS Beagle. So a popular conception that Darwin's voyage gave him the idea of evolution is not accurate. Yet is it true that the years of travel and research focused Darwin's mind and sharpened the powers of observation that would eventually lead to the publication of On the Origin of Species in 1859.